What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Sean TV, you feel me? We back at it again with another video, you feel me? We just got done washing the big cat. And you feel me? We finna go ahead and give y'all boys a good afternoon POV, you feel me? Of the big cat. I ain't did no more mods. I ain't did no mods for it in a while. I'm gonna get back on them shortly. I'm probably gonna start off by putting my lights and stuff in the hood, the headlights and the grill lights. You feel me? That'll probably be the next mod and stuff that we do to the big cat, you feel me? But if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe. It is road to 2,000 subscribers, you feel me? So that's what we trying to go ahead and conquer, you feel me, in the next few weeks. So you feel me? This how the whip looking. You got it all cleaned up and stuff. Without further ado, we finna go ahead and get to the video. Bang! Alright, y'all, so you feel we in the whip. You feel me? We got that bit in custom mode. You know, that's how I always ride because, like I said, you need traction control to be off. You feel me? The transmission and track. And I like my suspension to be in street because, you know, we lowered. And when you go over them bumps in track suspension, it's very, very bumpy, you feel me? So that's how I like to drive, you feel me? So we gonna go ahead and get into the video. First, let me put on my seatbelt. So that seatbelt ding don't be making y'all nigga mad. I'm trying to figure out, do I want to do like a highway POV type of thing or do something else? This nigga driving slow looking at me. We trying to, you feel me, get it on. We good. Ooh, that underpass downshift is crazy. Just a little pull for y'all, boy. I hope this wind ain't bothering y'all. Oh my Lord, look at the traffic coming down this way. It's good we don't got to be on that side. Damn, who's blowing that horn? Boy, I would be so mad if I was on the other side of the traffic. You just don't know. I'm gonna let the windows up a little bit. You feel me? I don't want all that wind to be in the video and y'all can't hear nothing. Y'all still should better hear the supercharger whine though. Go ahead and hit that corner at 90 miles per hour. You feel me? You can do that when you lower. Just don't accelerate. The back end might kick out on your ass. And if you lose it at 90 miles per hour, your ass might be grass. I don't see no state trooper either. This usually where they camp out at. So I think we good. Pushing that hoe, boy. Tell them boy to get out of the way. Hellcat incoming. Nissan on the side. Look like he had a blowout. And I don't see no police in my rear view. So we good. We out to a good start. Seem like the Nissan trying to cut up with me, boy. I ain't cutting up with you, boy. You know you don't want no smoke with that big cat, nigga. They don't want to smoke with that big cat. They know what we do to niggas. Anybody want to collab too? Come pull up on you, boy. You know I'm always down to make some content. I love making content. I'm trying to figure out where I need to turn it. Montgomery. Big dog, I'm gonna make his exit. Just don't knock me off the road. God dang, bro. I just got myself into a sticky situation. Look at all this traffic. Well, I see they caught him broke down or some shit. Oh, we good, we good. We ain't gotta worry about no traffic. We good, that ain't gonna affect us at all. Thank the Lord. But them people behind them, they're done for, they cook. We're gonna let the window down because your boy is sweating. Trying to figure out what exit should I get off at. Well, we finna get off somewhere right here. No, not right here. Well, fuck it. We will get off right here, goddamn. Cause I ain't finna run into no traffic. We don't run into traffic around here. That bitch sounds so good. Up on the tunnel. Now we in downtown Birmingham. Big little bad boy. Come on, light. Damn, I know y'all see that. That shit say 6.7 miles per gallon. Oh my God. I guess this is what you sign up for. And my hand bleeding and shit. No, we're gonna go straight. But damn, that camera really be making nigga look at me like I'm some type of weird person. Man, when is this light gonna turn green for your boy? We in the Hellcat, we ain't supposed to be waiting. We ain't supposed to be waiting. We supposed to be standing on business. What is they got going on down here? A baseball game. They gotta be having a game. That's the only time they block off the road. What's up? You feel we making everybody happy, you feel me? Everybody love the big cat. Even him, they love the big cat. You feel me? We always putting smiles on people's faces. They go to police, you know, we don't fuck with them. We don't fuck with the police. And they don't fuck with us either. We finna get a little downshift for the homeless people. You feel me? Wake them boys up. Y'all keep y'all head high. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm talking, goddamn. Turn, my boy. Grandma looking at me and I see out the corner of my eye. These lights seem like they've been holding for way too long. Yes, sir. That bitch sound amazing. Should I do something that I think I shouldn't do? And I did it. Hopefully ain't no police here, your boy, because I do not want to run. Oh, there's a police somewhere or something. Every time I slide my car, I hear a police siren. Oh, that's the paramedics. Wait, I don't know what the hell that is. I just know they need to leave me alone. I don't want no smoke. don't walk in the road, my boy. Y'all hear this big cat, boy. Stop playing. Don't never walk in the road when you hear this supercharger whining. That may be your last time. The hell is that nigga looking at it in that car? That's a police? That was not me, sir. That was this nigga in this van. That bitch say V8 Triton. That was not me. Your boy don't do stuff like that. I'm gonna pull up beside him. Damn, this sun killing me. I can't see shit. Yeah, keep going, undercover police. I know you undercover because I seen the badge on your shirt. Through your windshield, nigga. The G-Wagon motherfucker. Damn, there go my boy Pratt City Savage. Alright, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video, you feel me? Y'all should have enough footage to watch. Goddamn. Stay tuned in though, cause we do got a banger video this Sunday, which will be in 2 more days. You feel me? I'm gonna try to record that morning, edit it, and put it out the same day. You feel me? So y'all boys can have some more content. That'll be it for this video. If y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe. Please get us to 2,000 subs. You feel me? By the time I reach 2,000 subs, I should be monetized too. You feel me? So we go ahead and start getting paid on YouTube. You feel me? Giving y'all boys the best content ever. But until next time, that'll be it. Peace.